Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make percentage in Google Sheet. You are going to start by opening Google Sheets to see the available data. After that, click on the column where the percentages will be to select it. After this, click on the Format menu and click on Number. In the available options, choose percent. Now select a cell, enter the equal sign, and click on the cell with the first value, enter the division sign, and then click on the total cell. When you press enter, you will see the percentage of that value. Now, in the name bar, select the total cell and press the F4 key to leave it fixed. You are going to drag this formula and Google Sheets will automatically autofill the other percentages. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.